Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you, welcome to Makeup for Lost Time. My name is Katie. Today I am going to be taking a palette's virginity. So I'm going to be popping the Moonslice Beauties Blue Moon. I'm going to be popping this palette's cherry today. And so I'm super excited. This is the look I got. If you want to see how I did it, or if you just like to watch, then just hang out. Okay, my eyebrows are done. My eye is primed with my P. Louise primer in Rumor 02. And I can't wait to get my dick into this motherfucker. Okay, so I'm gonna go big right away. Honestly, don't you guys? You guys are probably used to that by now. Actually, I'm not gonna go that big. I'm gonna use my Wayne Goss number 19. And I'm gonna go into this purpley blue color. It's probably gonna be the problematic one. And I'm just going into my outer V and then pulling this along my crease. It's always better to have too little shadow than too much. Guys, I have PTSD. I'm literally remembering the last time I used a color like this was that Norvina palette. This seems to be blending pretty nicely, actually, for what it is. It's building up in my crease, it's not creasing. I will say that it seems like these three shades are somewhat similar. They're just like a deeper version, but that might be inaccurate. I'm gonna use this color. It's like a turquoise. It's like a straight up turquoise, to blend out that shadow. I'm gonna use my Voldemorphe JH33 and I'm gonna go into that light blue. It's like a sky blue. And I'm gonna just pack that in my inner corner and then kind of just bring it along to blend this out. And hope to God it works. That's blending really well. I'm not really having any problems with it except for my PTSD triggers. There is a little bit of creasing. I'm gonna go back in with my Wayne Goss number 19 and I'm just gonna use that to build up this purple shade some more and see if I can't get that blend in there. This was an unusual combination, I feel like, so now I'm just going back into that turquoise. Man, I'm loving this. Are you guys seeing this? This looks fucking bomb, dude. I had a feeling this palette was gonna be the bomb, dude. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, how the fuck did this escape me? That blend is titties! And it's holding up okay in the crease, not amazing. But like I say, this shade is like Why do I do it every time? That's what I want to know. I'm just drawn to this color. And really, if there's a pile of shit within 20 miles of me, I'm gonna step in it. So that's the real truth. Let's be real. Well, I know it's only 2 colors, but it fucking looks good. I'm gonna use my Spectrum A13, and I'm gonna go into that purple. And I'm just gonna go to about right there. And then with that Boldemorphe JH33, I'm gonna blend this out. That blend out really good. Kind of blowing this out because I feel like lately my shape right here has been kind of not to my liking. I'm gonna just use my beauty blender and kind of give that a little tappy. I don't normally have to do that, but that looks killer. I'm going to use my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm gonna try this Alter Ego number 8. I don't think this is what this was made for, but I'm gonna use it anyways because I'm literally, all my brushes are dirty and I just cleaned them. And then with my Zoeva 232, I'm gonna use this purple color in the center. Oh my gosh. Dudes, this palette is fucking bomb. This color is bomb. The shimmer is not disappointing. I'm just gonna use this to kind of tap that edge out. And then on the lower lid, I'm going to use my Crown C528, and I'm going to go into this turquoise right here. That was literally with no spray, no primer, nothing. Look at that. And then I'm going to use my Boldemorphe pencil brush from the Ice Lay collection, and I'm going into this corner white. And I'm going to use that for my inner corner highlight. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's not like blinding me or anything, but it's just a really good inner corner highlight. Dudes, this palette is fucking bomb. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to use this AOA E126 with nothing on it. And I'm just going to kind of go around and just blend everything out really well. Super fast. Dude, I used that color and it went this fast. Okay, I'm going to finish up the look and I'll be back when I'm done. So this is the finished look. I fucking love this. I think it looks spectacular. I love my face. I actually want to sit on my own face. So this shadow, it kind of was giving me a little bit of creasing in the, you know, outer V right along the crease, but it seemed to blend into the crease and now the crease is covered, so I can't tell you. But I just want to tell you that actually just using this palette and that color working so well literally makes me want to go, I'm going to go wipe my ass with my Norvina 2 palette. Basically that's about like how I feel after using this one. Cause if you guys remember, I'll link it in the cards. If you guys remember my video, I literally blamed myself for picking the color like this. I was like, it's my fault. I always pick the colors. So yeah, I'm going to go wipe my ass with that palette. And this one's going to slide into its spot in its little thing. Just kidding. I'm going to go kiss that Norvina 2's palette's ass until it works for me. And I'm going to keep trying until it works for me because I spent my motherfucking money on it. So I can talk as much shit as I want, but I'm going to keep fucking working at that bitch because I spent $60 motherfucking dollars on it. Actually, I think I got it on sale. So nonetheless, I spent my own money on it. I'm going to make it fucking, I'm going to make it love me. I love this look. I think it's super unique. It's really just like a few colors. I didn't really go above and beyond. I took this palette's virginity today and I'm like stunned by it. I use my Pretty Zombie Cosmetics lipstick in the color Strange and I think it looks good. Honestly, the quality of this lipstick is super strange. It's not just a clever name. It actually bled through my lip ring hole. So I don't know what that's all about, but I can already see it traveling into my fine lines. I'm going to use it with my Lime Crime Lip Vel. It's a traveler and it doesn't dry down. So, which is fine. I don't care if it dries down, but it like bled through my lip ring hole, which is like fucking gives me the creeps. Seriously, it looked like I struck oil. It was like, I was like, that ruined my look. Thanks. So anyways, I don't want to give this bad publicity. Maybe I need to shake it up. Maybe I did it wrong. I don't know. I'm going to have to work with it a little bit more and see how that goes. Anyway, I digress. I use my Black Moon Cosmetics eye wigs in the style Lynx. And I actually sent Black Moon Cosmetics email today and was like, please help a bitch. I can't find these. I think it's Lynx. Please help me. So we'll see. We'll see if I'm sure when they get the email, they'll try to help me out. I feel like brands like that are always more than happy to help. Oh yeah. And I use my Inglot gel liner in 82. It's this color. I've been waiting to use this on anything. Makeup by Anki uses this in her brows. And I'm always like, what the fuck? I always wonder, what is that in her brows? And I found out that it's this. Literally, I had just gotten it in the mail like 2 days before that. So I don't think I'm going to use it in my brows because for one, it's her shit. But for two, I feel like I'm just now getting a brow. How do my brows look, guys? Do I look good? So anyways, I can't wait to play with this palette a little bit more. I have a few things that I have to do before I can do a 3 looks 1 palette. But I hope I just am like, I see so many looks. I see so many looks to do with this that are actually going to be super different. And like this color right here and this color right here, I'm like really excited to use those 2 colors. So I am really excited that I did this. I'm really glad that the look turned out amazing. It's my favorite look ever. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can see every time I upload, hit the like button if you like this look or if you just like my sparkling personality and my boyish charm. Hang out with me in the comments, let me know, do you guys want to see more of this? I hope so, because I'm gonna give it to you. And yeah, you guys could have been anywhere, but you were spending your valuable, precious time here with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later.